Hey guys, today I've got something awesome for our new Range Rover Sport owners. Our new SV body kit. The features and the differences of the 2.0 upgraded SV carbon fiber trims. The Range Rover Sport beside me has already upgraded SV body kit. The kit has all 4 key parts: front bumper, grille, side skirt, and the rear bumper. First up, the grille. This one on the car is the first generation. It's 3K pattern dry carbon fiber kit. And this one is the second generation. It's jet carbon, way more premium. Now look at the fog light on the front bumper. This one on the car is 3K pattern trims. We also upgraded this part. The one in my hand is jet carbon. Both two versions are pure dry carbon. We spruced up the front lips too. The difference is super clear. This one on the car is 3K pattern, and this one in my hand is jet carbon. We kept Edition 1 logo on both, so the details stays. This one on the car is 3K patterns. We also upgraded the side vents. This one in my hand is jet carbons. Whether you choose 3K patterns or jet carbons, they are also dry carbon fibers. Last but not least, the rear bumper. We swapped the whole thing for the SV design. After modification, the whole kit looks more sporty, and we changed the exhaust pipe from single outlet to round pipe dual outlet carbon fiber exhaust. However, the effect of the exhaust pipe on the market is different from that of the original. Our exhaust pipe is the closest to the original. It has been used for almost a year on the car, and we can see there is no discoloration on the outside of the exhaust pipe of the car, and there is no rust on the inside. In the same way, we have also produced the jet carbon versions of the exhaust pipe. Perhaps many customers may have questions about matching degree of our products. Then we can see that whether is the matching degree of the front bumpers, the gap of the side cheek, or the degree of fit between the rear bumper and the car body. It is very perfect and uniform. Range Rover Sport owners, mod shop bosses, which one do you prefer? The 3K patterns SV body kit or the jet one? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Follow me, next time I will bring you the even cooler Land Rover product. See you next time, bye bye!